quadratic equation. We have seen the factorization method in last period. Now we see in the how to calculate the quadratic equation's root or how to solve the quadratic equation by formula method. Suppose equation is given m square minus 14m plus 13 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this by formula method. Question is that solve this equation by formula method. When the questions are asking in this method, we have to solve the equation by only formula method. If we solve it by factorization method, there will be no marks. So whatever may be asking, you follow this. So m square minus 14m plus 13 is equal to 0. Now we have to compare this equation with general form or standard form of the quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What will be the values of a, b, c? A value is 1, coefficient of x square or m square, that may be variable, so variable can be varies, that it changes, but a value a of is equal to 1. Value of b is minus 14, because here is plus b and here is value minus, so by b is equal to minus 14. C is equal to 30. So we get the values of a, b, c. Whatever may be equation, this is compared with the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and calculate the values of a, b, c. Okay. When we got the values of a, b, c, we calculate also b square minus 4ac. This term will be calculated first and using formula. So b square minus 4ac. What is the value of b? Minus 14 square minus 4 into a means 1, c means 13. So 14 square is 196. Though there is a negative number, but square of negative number or positive number is always positive. So for minus 14 square is 196 minus 13 4s are 52. 196 minus 52 is 144. So b square minus 4ac is 144. Now the formula. This formula we have to learn by heart. Minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac. Square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula for solving the quadratic equation. This is the formula. We have to learn by heart. Minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now substitute the values. Minus b is minus 14. So minus 14 plus or minus. What is the value of b square minus 4ac is 144. Square root is as it is 144 divided by 2 into a means 1. Minus minus becomes plus 14. Plus minus square root of 144. Which number square is 144? That is 12 divided by 2. Now x is equal to this 14. One time we take the plus sign and one time we take the minus sign. So x is equal to 14 plus 12 divided by 2 one time, or x is equal to 14 minus 12 divided by 2. 14 plus 12 is 26 divided by 2. 14 minus 12 is 2 divided by 2. Here is 13. 26 by 2 is 13 and here is x is equal to 2 by 2 is 1. So the roots of this quadratic equation is 13 and 1. Always there are two roots of quadratic equation. One is 13, one is x. From here we have to separate the roots. After calculating square root of this, from here we have to separate the roots. First one time take the plus and one time minus. So 14 plus 12 by 2 and 14 minus 12 by 2. So these are the solving of quadratic equation by formula method. If there is no square root or here is the number whose square root we have not calculated or not known, so keep it as it is and solve the example. For example, suppose another example is x square plus 10x plus 2 is equal to 0. Now here ABC values ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 10, c is equal to 2. Now b square minus 4ac, 10 square minus 4 1 into 2. 10 square is 100 minus 4 2s are 8. 100 minus 8 is 92. Now formula x minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now substitute the value. Minus b की value 10 plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac's value is 92 divided by 2. Now we don't know the square root of 92. It is not a square number, so 92 का square root अगर मालूम नहीं है तो x is equal to minus 10 is as it is plus or minus 92 divided by 2. Now x is equal to minus 10, one time take plus sign, plus 92 divided by 2 or one time it gets negative. So x is equal to minus 10 minus square root of 92 divided by 2. So these are the two roots. First root is minus 10 plus square root of 92 divided by 2. Second is minus 10 minus 90 square root of 92 divided by 2. Because we don't know the square root of 92, so keep it as it is, we will get the marks. Okay, so this is the formula method to solve the quadratic equation. We see the examples or exercise in form of photos.